Want to make your video put text behind a object in video using Canva? You're in the right place. Today we're going to learn how to create a cool text behind the object using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can pick any size. I'll use a wallpaper size for this example. Click the Create icon and type Wallpaper. And choose the size you want. Next, add a video object. People or objects with clear edges work best for this effect. Here, I'll look for a video of a person running. Go to Element tab and type Running in search. And go to the Video tab. Now, set the size to full canvas. Now, right-click in the video and duplicate the video. On the top copy, click Edit Image and use Background Remover. This feature is only available in Canva Pro. Now we have two video layers, the first with background and the second without background. Time to add your headline. Type your text, choose a bold font, and place it between the two video layers. Go to the Text tab and input the text. I will type the text, running, as an example. Now go to Font Settings, and we will change the font type. I use the Anton font. Then set and change the font size. Here I want the size to be large, like this. Then we can change the font color. I will change the color to white. Press the Font Color Settings section and select white. And now we will put the text behind the object. Click on our design and select these three dots. Then select the position. Click on the Layer section, and we will see that there are three layers here. The first layer is a video with a background. The second layer is a video without a background. And the third is text. To make the text behind the object, we need to move the text layer behind a video layer without a background. To do this, select the text and then slide it down to layer 2, like this. Let's preview. Boom! Your text now moves behind your subject. Smooth, stylish, and super clean. Love that trick? Smash that like button, drop your questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva hacks and design tutorials. Let's make your ideas stand out.